So Somizi says he is not scared of anyone. So basically on his social media, he was campaigning Ilano and Liema from Big Brother. And people on the comment section were coming for him. Like they were literally attacking him. And you would ask yourself why they were. So before that, so Mizi posted a video talking about Utandeka trying to decampaign her, talking about all the, negative things about her. And, Tandeka's fans, they will literally attack you, right, when you talk about them. But it's more like even the people that he is campaigning for are not perfect either, but he's not talking about the negativity that comes with them. It's only because of Tandeka, because of he does not love Tandeka, she does not like Tandeka, right? And he said that when you wanna vote for anybody else besides Millie and Tandeka's fans want to attack you, don't give them thought, or if you have time, you better fight them back, right? He's not gonna fight us back because Anna, he is busy, right? He also did say, let's talk about, are you guys going to be more successful than me at my age? Are you going to be more successful than me than my age at my age? And we're just like it's really not about that, right? We all have careers, right? And campaigning for someone doesn't mean that you are not going to be successful, or being a super fan of someone does not mean that you're not going to be successful. It's a nakai, because of, I feel like when people start losing arguments, that's where they dwell to. When people, like educated people, start losing arguments, they'll always use the but I'm educated, or successful people will say, but I am more successful than you. We are successful, but he will say, I am more successful than you. But it's because of that what you did was right. Remember, with Somizi did the same thing with Sweet Guluva. He did not like him. He also did do the same thing that he's doing to Tandeka. He did post the video on TikTok talking about him and said that he doesn't like him and all of that. And this time he's doing the same thing with Utandeka, because we know Tandeka is the most loved housemate in South Africa currently, like number one loved housemate, and yet he's still the one who does not like the number one housemate. So when people try to retaliate, because of she's not here to defend herself, her fans will defend her, and he says that her fans are just like her. So if it does not bother you and you are busy, then why are you making a video and posting about it if you are that busy and so successful? If you want to campaign for Liema and Ilano, it's fine, but don't decampaign other housemates while you're at it, because their fans are obviously going to defend them. They are not on social media to defend themselves. And him saying that, oh, I don't have time. You have time. You have a lot of time. He had time to post about Tandeka before. He has time now to post again, and he will definitely post again. And that's what I know. You have all the time in the world, so Miss, I know that. So that's all, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here is a full video of everything that he said.
Hello, beautiful people. Listen, let's talk Big Brother, ne? So anyone who's voting for anyone else but Tandeka or Meli, don't lose your cool when there are people, especially about Tandeka, most of them, not all of them, but rude, bafana no Tandeka, and it's just a game at the end of the day. But abantu Tandeka, most of them are rude. They like to offend people who are against them, who don't vote for umuntu wabo. Bafuna everybody manje athanda Tandeka. So don't fall for the trap. Now you must respond, and in they want that. But if you've got the energy, no. But to get back, I'm doing better things. Also, I posted now I'm supporting Uliano Ilano no Liema. Sharp. I'm a comments here when I'm cool. It's not an offense to I'm cool. The question is, are you going to reach my age? Number one. Two, the question is, are you going to be as happy and successful at my age? Right? It's not an insult to cool, it's a blessing. Number one. Two. Number three, when you insult me, don't forget to add one of the most loved Mkulu. one of the most successful, mkhulu. One of the most happiest, mkhulu. One of the most living his full life, true self, mkhulu. Ungangivela uthi mkhulu ngithuke nje kuphela and nakhona ngithuki. Okay, sizontshela nina ke mina. Actually sontshela. Sinsabi. Sinsabi shem. Yo. Don't forget that part. That part, my khohlwa. Danko.